If I did have this pumpkin at home, I would put the camera on it and watch it grow. You hear that, my viewers? People, my viewers, trust me. The pumpkin in the garden, hiding. Look at that. Nice pumpkin that, my viewers. It is a very round, flat pumpkin. Anytime I come to the pumpkin farm, I come to look for this pumpkin, my viewers. Check this out, my viewers.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
What's up, my beautiful people? As you can see where I am, I'm at a pumpkin farm, alright? So right about now, it's all about, I'm going to show you what's going on here. It's been a while, so I'm going to give you guys an update now. And you can go back and watch the first video that I put up about the pumpkin farm. You can watch it here, this little clip right up here in the corner. Yeah, you can check it out to see the first time I put up a video about this pumpkin farm. So right about now, it's all about Kevin the farmer. So right about now, I'm going to show you what's going on here. So stick and stay to see what's coming next. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, it's all about pumpkin. Yeah, and as you can see in the first video, yeah, it was 1 and 2 little leaves. Now you can see there are many blossoms, many leaves, you know what I mean? Right around. Whoa, and as you can see, pumpkin is everywhere, my viewers. Pumpkin is everywhere, my viewers. Tell me if something is going on here. Drop it in the comment box. Tell me what's going on right here now. Look all over the globe. Look underneath the tree. Do you remember the tree underneath the tree? The shade, you know, the shade used to keep down the pumpkin them. Yeah, I'm gonna go down there in a few to show you what's going on, guys. So listen, I'm gonna just take time, go through and show you what's going on. Yeah, there's a vine step on. Yeah, man. There's a vine step on this, so you have to watch them vine there. Look at that. Nice pumpkin that, you know, my viewers. Them pumpkin they dry, you know, my viewers. Yeah, you notice how them leaf here big? Yes, my viewers. Jamaican farmers, don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. I'm going towards a pumpkin to show you a pumpkin, guys. Just stick and stay and you will see the pumpkin. Look at this one here. My God. Pumpkin is everywhere, my viewers. I'm going to a special pumpkin to show you guys. I want you to stick and stay and you will see. Look at this pumpkin here. This pumpkin is very flat. It is a very round, flat pumpkin. My God, there is all type of pumpkin. All type of pumpkin here, my viewers. All type of pumpkin here. Yeah? Black, white, purple, brown, blue. All different types of pumpkin. Alright. My viewers, this is a pumpkin from the day this pumpkin push out. I want to show you guys. And I showed you in the previous video. But I have to show you. Anytime I come to the pumpkin farm, I come to look for this pumpkin, my viewers. Check this out, my viewers. Check out this pumpkin. How it look? Just drop it in the comment box and tell me what's going on. My God. You know that every one of these rows here, if you cut it with the knife and cut it out, most of the pumpkin will give you, one of those rows will give you £1. But this one look like it's going to give you £2. You know what I mean? Beautiful pumpkin, don't it? Wow. This is what I'm talking about, my viewers. We have to plant. You only see these things on Jamaican farmers, alright? Yeah, look on the stem. Whoa, I lose my hair muffin. Yes, my viewers. Stick and stay, because we have a lot more to show you, alright? Yes, my viewers. It's all about pumpkin, you know? Mr. Pumpkin, they're everywhere. I can give you in Jamaican terms. Pumpkin is everywhere. Yes. Yes. And if you was in the Trinidad side, you know those Chini guys, pumpkin is everywhere, man. I can tell you, boy, pumpkin is everywhere. Whoa. Yes. See there? Trust me. All right. You see this type of pumpkin? This type of pumpkin, you know, the looks of it. Yeah. That pumpkin is that you can know when the pumpkin is very dry. That is a very dry pumpkin. Yeah. Yard food. I'm going to send this pumpkin to you. Alright, yard food? Yes, this one is for M&G. Yeah, this one is for M&G. Alright. I have one over here for Haltia. Yes. And who's next? Who's next? Oh, Karen, this one is for you, Karen. This one is for you, all right? And whoa, there is so much I don't remember some of you guys. All right, but trust me. Yeah. Yes, I. Yes, I. Yes, I. Yes, I. Okay, me viewers, going to show you our next pumpkin. Going to show you our next pumpkin. Whoa, whoa. Yes, you see when you're planting pumpkin, you don't just go and plant one kind of pumpkin. You plant all different variety of pumpkin. You know what I mean? Look at this pumpkin here. You see a pumpkin like this? You see when you touch it with the cutting tool, once you touch it here, it go pow. Yeah! Once it fit, my God. Trust me, my viewers. It's all about pumpkin, my viewers. It's all about pumpkin. I can't stay one place, my viewers. I have to keep walking. I have to keep walking. Sister Trev. Sister Trev. How do you do? How do you do? What you do, ma'am? Yeah, Sister Winnie. How you do? How you do there? We're there in a pumpkin farm. There in a pumpkin farm, my viewers. Watch it. My God. Whoa. There's pumpkin everywhere, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. There's pumpkin everywhere. Why? Too much pumpkin. Too much pumpkin, my viewers. Too much pumpkin. Too much pumpkin. I'm gonna go on this side, show you what's going on. I'm gonna go on the side to show you what's going on. Going on the side to show you what's going on. Do you remember the first place the first pumpkin started to run? Yes, we were so crazy about it. Yeah? There was some fire burn. Hold on, look on these two pumpkin here. Whoa. There was a fire burn here. There was some fire burn here and a pumpkin was planted in here. And trust me, it was the first pumpkin started to run, my viewers. Look what's going on. Look what's going on. I'm gonna give you a closer look there. Look what's going on. Whoa. Whoa, my viewers. This is brilliant. Yeah, here was the burn dirt. You can see the burn soil, alright? Look here. Look on the stem. Look on the color of the stem. This is what you call pumpkin. You know what I mean? And there's a lot of blossom. There's a lot of male and female. And let me tell you something. Let me teach you something, my viewers. If you don't know, when it comes to pumpkin, you can pollinate your own pumpkin. Yeah? Alright. Let's show you something here. Alright, these blossom here, when you look and the stem is very tall, it is the male. But if the stem is very short on the vine, it is the female. So here what you do now, you're gonna go inside the male blossom. Take out that little yellow thing there, scrape it off, and you're gonna put it into the female one inside here. Yeah, so that's how the pumpkin pollinated. So if you do that, the bird don't have to do it. But trust me, the bird come and do the pollination, but the bird does not know that he is doing a job. Yeah, you understand? He's just looking something to eat. So when the bird come and he go from one to the other, he pollinated the pumpkin, all right? If the pumpkin don't pollinated, it drop off. Yeah, it drop off the vine. So yes, my viewers. So you heard it on Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yeah, man. And there's the next thing. You can trellis. You can trellis the pumpkin vine. You can, no, not trellis. What you call it again? Whoa, what is that? Prune. You can prune. You can prune the pumpkin vine. Like some new vine that come out on the pumpkin, you cut them off. Yeah, like, let me show you something. Like this vine here. You see this vine here? This little short vine start to grow, you can cut it off. Yeah, so it gives the strength of the pumpkin vine more strength to grow the rest. Look on this vine here. Look how big this vine is. Yeah? Look how big this pumpkin vine is. Very big, very huge. My viewers. It's all about pumpkin. Yeah. Yeah, this pumpkin is in the 2-month period. So you don't know, it's all about 3 months time. Yeah, 3 months time the pumpkin is ready. As you can see, my viewers, I'm going underneath the shade. Yeah, I'm going underneath the shade. All right. So right about now, I'm entering underneath the tree, the big guango tree. Yeah, so this is the type of tree that the animal them eat. And when they eat the seed and go back and do the seed grow. So these tree is all over the place. Alright, my viewers. These all here, them never grow. Them never catch, you know. And Kevin never replant them. But we're going underneath the tree. If you notice up top it is very crowded. You know what I mean? Because there is no shade. But where the shade is, there's a less leaf is here. There's a lot of walking space. Yeah, grass grow more here because there's a lot of space. You notice I'm walking very freely. Yeah, there's a lot of space underneath here. And if you notice, there's a lot of man blossom, male. There's a lot of male blossom here because it is underneath the shade. These pumpkin need some sunlight. And if you notice, you only see 1 and 2 pumpkin here. Yeah, you have a lot of space can walk, but up the top is grow right out. Everywhere is pumpkin leaf, you know, pumpkin vine. But here you can walk through. Notice I don't see no pumpkin here. There's no pumpkin here because the shade of the tree. The trees are very big trees, a very big guango tree. All right. Yes. So if one side of this tree, if these limbs did cut off for the sunlight to come in, yes, you would see a lot of pumpkin under here. Yeah, man, a lot of pumpkin would be here. But the shade under here is very cool. The pumpkin don't like that coolness. Yeah, the pumpkin love the heat, you know, and love the sun. You know what I mean? So when it get the sunlight, it bears more. Yeah, if you notice, you don't see much pumpkin here. I only see 1 pumpkin since I come under here. You know what I mean? Yeah, up here I see 1 up here. It's only 1 up here. Yeah. Oh, 3 is here, 4 is here, 4 is here. Oh, the sunlight is coming in here. Notice the sun is coming from this end. So the sunlight is coming right here. So that is the reason why 4 pumpkin is right here. 5 pumpkin is right here. Look on this one here. Look on the looks of this pumpkin. This is miracle. This is Mother Nature. That is the reason why we plant. Because we don't grow these things. You know what I mean? Yeah, these things grow by Mother Nature. See? So look on the looks of it. This is Mother Nature, my viewers. Yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, this is Mother Nature. So the Chini guy would say, yeah, man, this is nature. This is nature, my brother. This is nature. I'm telling you, man, this is nature. Yes, that is the Chini guy. You know what I mean? Look here. Let me show you this pumpkin here. Whoa, this pumpkin is nice. Yeah, this pumpkin is nice. You know that I have some pumpkin seed at home. When I plant that pumpkin, every year I used to plant 3 seeds of that pumpkin. And I have to run it up on the roof for it to bear. If you go back in the channel, in the playlist, you can see a video named The Roof Pumpkin. That pumpkin only bears on the roof or on the tree. It don't bear on the ground. Yeah, and I still have some at home, some seed at home, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Under this cool shade here, a lovely black pumpkin, dark color pumpkin here. Beautiful, my viewers, beautiful. That's what I'm talking about, beautiful. Yeah. So when you're planting pumpkin, worth you planting a lot? Yeah. When you're planting a lot of pumpkin, you know, you plant all different types, you know, to see the difference pumpkin, the different type of pumpkin. Yeah, sometimes my words them collapse, you know what I mean? On a lapse, I just collapse the word them collapse most of the time because I talk too fast. So yes, it's all about the type of job that I do, you know what I mean? You have to chat. That's how me get paid, to chat. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, for real. Alright. Yeah, man, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Alright, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Yes. I'm trying to remember some of the person who always on my life, but my brain is so hot now in the sun, you know. But don't worry, guys. I will big up you guys later. Whoa! Yes, yard food. Must send this one to you, yard food, yeah? Alright. Alright. Yeah? Yeah, man. It's all about pumpkin, my viewers. Whoa, there's a big pumpkin right in that bush there. Whoa, right beside that stone, look. Wait. It's right now the bush there. I have to go up there. Give in a Jamaican terms. I have to go up there, my viewers. I have to go up there. Yes, my viewers. Right in the bush. See it here? Yeah, I hit that, my people. Nice, don't it? Right underneath the bush. Yeah? Yeah, man. So as you can see in the first part of the video, I drop a link up there to show you, give you the link of the first video coming here. Yeah? Look on this one here. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. All around is pumpkin. Seeing? Some of you are my subscriber. Stick and stay to see what's coming next, alright? Not gonna wait, coming soon forward. Yeah, man, there's an next pumpkin underneath here. Hiding. Hiding. The pumpkin in the garden. Hiding. Hiding from ever slick. Yeah. There's a lot of pumpkin here. This pumpkin was planted in the drought. And trust me, every day Kevin run with pan, bag, buckle, everything he can find with water. He run with it to water all these pumpkin here. Look at this pumpkin here. If I did have this pumpkin at home, I would put the camera on it and watch it grow. And if a bug crawl on it, I would see it. My God. Beautiful, my viewers. You know, when you plant something and you want to see it grow, you put the camera on it and put it on record and leave it for 1 week. After the 1 week, you look on that video and you can fast forward the video and you watch how it grows. You know what I mean? And you see everything that crawl. So you're gonna get a light and put to it. That mean when the night come down, the light come on. So during the day, you have the daylight. During the night, you have the light for the camera. You know what I mean? Yes. It's all about Jamaican farmers. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out, alright? Yeah. Too much pumpkin here. Whoa. This pumpkin up here look like say it fit, you know. How it look brown. It have a brownish color. Yeah, it have a brownish color. This one here. Whoa. You hear that, my viewers? You hear that, my viewers? Yo, not even woodpecker. Alright, look here, my viewers. This is beautiful. This is awesome. This is amazing. Amazing M and G. This is amazing. Whoa. This is what I'm talking about, my people, my viewers. Trust me. Yes. So you see it on Jamaican farmers out, alright? Beautiful. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Whoa. Look on this. Look at this, my viewers. Look at this, my viewers. Look at this. Tree pumpkin. Tree pumpkin in one spot. Tree pumpkin in one spot. Whoa. 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 Over here is 5 pumpkin. 5 pumpkin here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My viewers, I'm gonna go close and show you what's going on. 5 pumpkin. 6 pumpkin. 7 pumpkin. My God. Look here. Look here. 1, look how near me is. Me don't move. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pumpkin right this one at the little line. And if me go on my foot, I have the 3 on my foot here. So much pumpkin that me people. Tell me what they go on. Just do the maths and tell me and drop in the comment box. You understand? Yes, my viewers. I have to be careful when walking through this pumpkin walk. Walking through a pumpkin walk, you have to be very, very careful. If you're not a farmer, you can't walk through a pumpkin walk. You understand? Because you will smash. You will smash the vine. You understand? So yes. So it go, my viewers. It's all about Jamaican farmers. Yeah, me people. It's all about pumpkin. It's all about pumpkin, my viewers. Oh my God, my word, my Father. I'm so very tired. If you tired like me and you just want to sit and watch the next video, you can watch this one over here. Suppose you don't feel like watch that one, you know, and you want to watch a video of some carpenter work or something. Because in Jamaican farmers, we have everything. Watch this one over here. All right. Peace, my viewers. I'm out.